In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your Vimeo account efficiently. Keeping your Vimeo account well organized not only helps you find your videos quickly, but also ensures that your content is accessible and well presented to your viewers. Let's dive into how you can achieve this. First, navigate to vimeo.com and log into your account. This is your central hub for all video content, so it's essential to have everything neatly organized. Once logged in, you can start creating projects. Projects are a fantastic way to group related videos together, such as work-related content, personal projects, or even archived footage. By doing so, you streamline your workflow and make it easier to locate specific videos whenever you need them. Next, make use of collections. Collections function much like categories or playlists and are ideal for organizing videos according to themes or content types, such as tutorials or behind-the-scenes footage. This method of organization not only helps you keep track of similar videos, but also enhances the viewing experience for your audience by offering them a coherent playlist to follow. Adding tags to your videos is another effective way to improve searchability within your account. Tags serve as metadata that helps you and your viewers find specific videos effortlessly. Consider using descriptive tags like marketing or promo to quickly locate the content you need without having to scroll endlessly. Privacy settings are another crucial aspect of managing your Vimeo account. Vimeo allows you to control who can see your videos by setting them as public, private, or unlisted. Select the privacy option that best suits your needs for each video. Whether you're sharing only with a select group or broadcasting to the world, these settings give you the control needed to manage your audience effectively. Customizing thumbnails is another small but impactful way to organize your videos. A well-chosen thumbnail not only makes your video easily identifiable at a glance, but also draws attention and adds a professional touch to your library. Take some time to select or design thumbnails that accurately represent the content of each video. Lastly, don't forget to clean up regularly. Over time, your Vimeo account might get cluttered with old or irrelevant videos. Set aside some time regularly to delete or archive these videos. Regular maintenance keeps your account tidy and ensures only the most relevant and current content is on display. With these steps, managing your Vimeo account can become a breeze. Through projects, collections, and other organizational tools, you can create an efficient, streamlined, and visually appealing video hub. Invest a little effort up front and you'll find that locating, sharing, and managing your content becomes more manageable and enjoyable for both you and your viewers. Happy organizing!